Alright, beautiful family, get to meet me. Of course, my name is Samuel Joshua, and of course this is Craft Ideas. In today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at something entirely different. Okay, we've been hearing about 𝐼𝐼𝐼 surveys, how you can do your survey online, and is most popular survey right now that everybody is doing and cashing out from it, right? But when we look at 𝐼𝐼𝐼, we can see a challenges surrounding it in terms of the payment method, the vCloud machine, VMOS cloud machine that you are going to be using, then proxy. So when we do all this calculation, we are paying them, right? Although we use money to look for money, right? But notwithstanding, if you are to do all these calculations, at the end of the day, you will see that it is not worthing the stress at all. It's not worthing the stress. So in today's tutorial, I've now done a research, right? I've done a research on a survey that is not going to be costing you anything at all. And what do I mean by it's not going to be costing you anything at all? Now, what do I mean by this? I've done this survey myself. Before I can roll out any video here, it must be a video that I've done practically. It has worked for me and I've catch out from before I start enrolling the video out for you guys to watch. Now, in this video that I'm going to be sharing with you now, it includes a free VPN that you are going to be using. Now, this does not require you to pay for any VPN. You can download free VPN, which I'm going to be sharing with you in this tutorial as well. Free VPN, and also a 2 to 3, okay, let me say 3 survey apps that you can download directly on your phone from Play Store. How I downloaded it, I'm going to be sharing with you. How I registered just with your email. You don't need cloud machine. You are not paying anybody. You are not, just download free VPN, create it, and start earning for yourself. As a matter of fact, in this tutorial, I cash out directly to my PayPal, and I did everything practically. So this must, if it sounds interesting, why don't you just subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of seeing a video like this. And like I've said before, I've recorded a video on the VMOS cloud machine. If you want to get your proxy, you can also get your proxy from the video that I've recorded in the past. So you can check the description button of this tutorial. You can see the video there. I've recorded a video on how you can get VMOS cloud machine, how you can get a reliable proxy, and I've recorded the video on how you can also sign up for what? I've recorded the video on how you can sign up for 𝐼𝐼𝐼. I've recorded the video on how you can sign up for 𝐼𝐼𝐼. Okay, so you can also watch it under the description button of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. If what you're about to watch now is going to help you and is going to change your life financially, don't forget to subscribe. Ask your questions, reach out to me if you want us to also set up an account for you. Okay, so let's dive into the video. A very quick one. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you or showing you what has worked for me in the past and what is still presently working as at when recording this video for you. Okay, if you are the type of person that has been looking for online survey or different online tasks that you can be doing from the comfort of your room and be earning you some cool cash, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can do that. But before then, I want to show you my results, how much I've earned with this, for you to know that it is working. So what you want to do is just to stay back, watch this video to the very end, do what to also like the video, and don't forget to subscribe, because efforts and materials are being put in place for you to watch this video right now. So please, you can do well by subscribing back to our channel. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, right, let me go and you want to download a free VPN. You are not paying anything for this. You are not downloading VMOS machine, blah blah blah, this. No, you don't need that one. Okay, this is just a simple online survey app. Okay, the first thing, go and download this super unlimited proxy. It's a free VPN. I don't pay anything to it. I just connected to what's it called, UK directly. So once I tap connect here, that's the first thing you need to do. You can also download any other free VPN, not necessarily this, but me, I prefer this, right? So you can see now that we are presently connected. Okay, let me wait for these adverts to finish running. Okay, so you can see we are presently connected to the UK. So now the second thing you will need to download for me is just these 3 apps. The first one is this on your screen right now, which is 𝐬𝐷𝐻𝐶 𝐬𝐷𝐻𝐿, which is 𝐻𝐿. Now this, you can see they said they've paid over 42 million euros to people. Now this is just an online survey. Just use your email to register directly. It does not take your time at all. You can see that this is my balance. This is, can you see, these are different tasks and survey that I have participated in, and you can see I have 3 euro. So the minimum the payout is just 4 euro, and I'm about to reach 4 euro. So this is just a simple task here. Just, you can see different surveys here, and they are points. So if I'm to click this first survey now, if it's still available, it's going to work, and I will be able to earn directly from this survey. So now this, they said they are going to be asking me in a simple question. Click here. Then Anthony is related to what? Lega. I'm going to tap next. Continue is most associated with what? Continue. Remain, right? Then I click here. Then the third question say the word. I don't know it. I said no. Then I tap here. From memory, you can recall if you have ever used the internet. Yes. Then click on next. You can see now it is redirecting me. They said the survey have closed simply because I'm not fast. There are surveys like that. Now this is the first one. I'm going to be making a direct withdrawal on my second survey app. Now go here. This is the first app. Now this is the second app. You see this app, they are free. Just make sure you are connected to a VPN before you start using them. Now this is the second survey app, and the name is let me see. The name of this survey is Survey Pop. That's Survey Pop, right? And you can see I have 4.20 euro here, and I'm going to be placing my withdrawal on this tutorial to my PayPal directly. So now this is the survey here, and you can see here there are also the same thing. Okay, it's more likely like the same thing. They will show you the time that the survey will take you and how much you are going to be earning. This one is 9 minutes. If I'm to click on it now, I will start answering survey. It's not necessarily you know those questions directly. You can start just be clicking, and you can earn. Now let's go and place a withdrawal for you to know that this thing is actually working. I've recorded a video too on how you can also earn with Atapo. I've withdrawn. Atapo is also an online survey. Do you understand? You can earn from Atapo too. I'm going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial. How you can get a proxy, how you can get a machine that you can be using online to do this survey, how you can get a UK number, China number, and US number. I've recorded the video, so you can also go and watch that one too. Is also less free, but this one, I think this one is the best. Now let's go to our cash out page here. You can see now that I'm available and I'm eligible to cash out for €0.20. So how do you cash out? We have different methods that we can use to cash out here. We have PayPal, we have Visa card, we have Amazon, we have Tesco. If I'm to click on next, you will see here we also have John Lewis and Partners. We have Marks and Spencer. So you can cash out via this gift card, but I'm going to be using a PayPal because I want to withdraw the money directly to my PayPal account. So I'm going to be selecting this first one here. Okay, so you can see here, if I want to withdraw £4, is clicking here, then this one they are going to be giving me, if I have less upper than what is called £8 here, you can see it, they are going to be giving me a bonus, additional bonus of £0.80. So I'm just going to stick around with this first one by clicking on this PayPal here, and here you are going to be inputting your PayPal email, the email link to your PayPal. Once you are done inputting your email here, make sure it's correct. The same way that is on your PayPal account is the same way you are going to be inputting it here. Then you want to click on change email. So now this is the email that is attached and linked to my PayPal. So you can see here that they said the withdrawal balance is €4.20, and they also gave me additional balance of 0.000. Delivery fee is 000. So that means they are not charging us for withdrawal for this online survey. So now I'm going to be cashing out £4. Okay, so they said we will cover £20 for your fee as a small thank you for this survey pop. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here, then do what? Then I'm going to enable my location here. That's the first thing. Then the second thing, verify my phone number, then confirm my profile and verify my identity. Then once that is done, boom, I will withdraw successful. So the first thing here is to enable my device location by clicking on enable here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to tap allow once. Then the next thing is the required, which is the phone number. They are going to be asking for phone number. So you can see now the first one has been enabled. Then re-verify your phone number here. This is my UK phone number that I got from Skype. So from here, I'm going to click on re-verify now, and a code will be sent to my UK number directly. Remember, I told you how I was able to get this. You can see now they've sent the code. I told you how I was able to get this code from 𝐻𝐸. I'm also going to be leaving the video under the description button of this tutorial. So you can see here it says sources. Thank you for verifying your phone number. Happy earnings, right? So my phone number has been verified now. The next thing is to confirm your profile. So I'm going to tap that, and it's going to take me to where I'm going to be completing my profile, right? So once we are done with that, I'm just going to enter my date of birth, a random date of birth there. So I click on next. My first name is Joshua. Then I click on next, while my last name is Samuel. So please make sure this name tally with the name on your paper. Okay, so they won't think that you are withdrawing to another paper account. So I click on submit, and once I click on submit, it redirects me and it says info successfully added. So I tap on return to app, right? So once I tap on return to app here, it's going to take me to the next page where I'm going to be verifying my identity before I can cash out. You can see here it says hold your ID, take a selfie. This is a sample for it, so you can always use yourself for self verification. So you are going to snap your picture, then upload the selfie directly, and once you are done, you'll see here that this is the image here. Then you want to tap submit, and it's going to read it directly. Okay, so once it reads it directly, you can see it, image verified successfully. So you can return to the app, cancel this, and you can see that your identity information has been completed. So you can now proceed in cashing out your money directly. So make sure that your email is correct at this point again. Okay, so you click on cash out here. So once you tap cash out, it's going to do what? It's going to cash out your money for you directly. So you can see here they said your cash out has been sent to your email, which is your PayPal directly. So what I'm going to be doing now is to log in my PayPal on my PC. So I'm going to tap continue, open gift. I think they've gifted me something. Let me see. So this is just a 2-minute survey for 0.80. So I'm not gonna take it because of my time. So let me just refresh this page now. So you can see from here I have 0 points now over €4. So if I'm to go to cash out, you will see that from here I can now do what? I can now go to my profile here. Let me see history from here. You can see now that this is our withdrawal, €4. You can see it here, and this is the email that the money was sent to. So let me log into my email and go and do what? And go and verify this fund. So that's how you can basically earn from this platform with your just daily tax. So if you really mean business, at least if you are making €4 every day, and if you are even determined and if you are focused on it, you can earn more than €4 per day. So thank you for watching the video. I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.